Now, if I asked you which company or organization had 100% staff fully vaccinated, what would you guess? Maybe a healthcare clinic or a hospital or something like that? Good guesses, right? But no, it's the Portland Trailblazers. The entire team, the whole roster, the operations staff, everybody fully vaccinated. To put that into perspective, only 79% of healthcare workers in Oregon are fully vaccinated right now. Not even 8 out of 10. That's according to the latest data from the OHA. So let's listen to Dame talk about why he got the shot.
You know, I'm not mad at people for, saying I need to do my research or, they got to take the steps that make them comfortable. But I have a lot of people in my family that I'm tight with and that I spend a lot of time around, and I'm just not going to put their health or their lives in danger because I want to hold a big research when as a kid I had to get shots my whole life, and before I went to college I had to get shots, and I couldn't tell you one thing about any of them. So if it's something that I've had people in my family actually die and people actually lose their lives to it, like I'm not, and it's a way for me to protect myself and the people that I love, I'm gonna do it. It's pretty simple.
Okay, on that note, let's count some vaccines. More than 2.8 million Oregonians have gotten at least their first dose of a vaccine. That's more than 66% of the state's entire population. Everybody, that includes even kids under 12 who can't get the vaccine yet. In Washington, more than 5 million people have gotten at least their first dose, which works out to be about 67% of the state's entire population, including kids. Now, if you're watching us every night, you might be thinking, wait a minute, Washington, those numbers, those don't look quite right. They look way lower than what we were showing just last week. And we noticed that too. So we asked the CDC about it. Here's what they told us. On September 23rd, 2021, data review and reporting adjustments resulted in a decrease in the number of vaccine doses administered for Washington state of 473,191 doses. The adjustments are the result of updates to how pharmacies report data to CDC and or the jurisdictions. So basically, they realized they were over-reporting a bunch of doses, which I feel like they should have just said. The way they answered it was very complicated. I liked our way better. And they've corrected that.